The Materials Innovation Factory is a unique open-access scientific facility with a high concentration of robotic technologies and state-of-the-art analytical equipment. This award-winning and bespoke building is home to a vibrant scientific community of industrial leaders and internationally recognised academics.
We're consistently striving to find new ways of accelerating the discovery process. By placing academics and industry partners under one roof, we foster mutually beneficial relationships that span the boundaries of chemistry, robotics, data management, and modelling. The underlying ethos is the exchange of ideas to accelerate the delivery of real-world solutions.
The Materials Innovation Factory boasts a team of highly skilled technical support staff that can guide and support our visiting researchers and scientists in the use of our state-of-the-art equipment. This really is unique and breeds more confidence and independence in the visiting scientists each time they return, and guarantees an upskilling element for the next generation.
Having a permanent presence here at the Materials Innovation Factory is a real benefit to Croda. It allows us access to a wide range of advanced equipment that we don't currently have within our business. Also, the guidance and the training from the technical team here is invaluable, not to mention the opportunities to network with the academics.
This co-location means that the process of moving technological developments from the benchtop to society is quicker and more easily achieved. As well as all the laboratories, we have breakout spaces, hot desking, and a monthly seminar series, providing an opportunity to network with like-minded researchers.
With a growing academic base and an ever-expanding industrial portfolio, the Materials Innovation Factory will accelerate discoveries, break down boundaries, and inspire innovation.